Alright, this is Steve with Apex Home Inspections, and today is Wednesday, August 1st, 2018, and we are at 335 Southeast 83rd Avenue in Portland, and we are here today to do an inspection of the sewer line. As you can see, we're inside the house. We're down at the base of the stairs into the basement, and we have a sewer stack here with a clean out. I wasn't able to get the cap off. And oftentimes it's easier just to pull off a pipe if it's available, so that's what we did. Let's go ahead and drop our camera in there and see if we can't get things pointed in the right direction. There we go. Now that we're inside the pipe, we're going to zero off our counter in the upper right hand corner of our screen. That way we'll know how far we've gone, and we'll begin our inspection. A couple of quick notes about today's inspection. First of all, this home was built in 1926, it looks like, and the reason I mention this is because it may give us an idea of what kind of material we expect to see, although here at just a little under 3 feet into the inspection, we are looking at a transition from the cast iron that we were in to an ABS plastic line. We mention these so that we have an idea of the materials, which gives us an idea of the age of the pipe. Now you'll notice that we're inside of some standing water here. That's generally not something we want to see. We want to be able to look at the pipe. Can't see it when we're inside of standing water. Also, standing water oftentimes means that the pipe is not sloped properly. Here you come out here at about 10 feet into the inspection. So we have standing water from approximately 3 feet to 10 feet in the line. Let's go ahead and continue. Now the black ABS pipe tells me this sewer line has been replaced at some point. Hard to say when. There may be some record on at the city at portlandmaps.com, one or two other places they may keep this. This is typically how we want to see the pipe, a ribbon of water just covering the floor of the pipe, which is what we have. Standing water is not ideal. Here at about 49 feet into the inspection, we make another transition. This time we are transitioning to a concrete line. You'll notice that the camera drops into this line, thereby telling us that this is a much larger line, probably a 6-inch. Go ahead and continue on. Let's clean off our lens. Floor of the pipe showing some wear. Clean off our lens again. It's pretty common to see the floor of a concrete pipe pretty well worn in a house of this vintage. And then just a couple more feet, and here we are looking into the city main at 62 feet into the inspection. Alright, generally speaking, these inspections run from the clean out at the home to the main, which is what we've done. We did have some standing water between 3 and 10 feet in the line. And then the cement portion of the line did have some wear, but I would say that's no more than what we would expect to see for that style of line. Probably going to recommend some corrective action, at least further evaluation on the standing water, which is basically at the transition from the cast iron at the house to the ABS in the yard. However, I will make my final comments in the written report. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much.